Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea with your Mr. Coffee Maker. First, gather your Mr. Coffee Iced Tea Maker, your favorite tea bags, and fresh, cold water. Make sure the pitcher is clean and positioned correctly under the brewing spout. Next, fill the water reservoir to the level indicated for the amount of tea you wish to brew, keeping your desired strength in mind. Now place your preferred tea bags into the brewing basket. You can use anywhere from 2 to 6 tea bags, depending on how strong you like your tea. Then, fill the pitcher with ice cubes up to the designated ice line. Once everything is in place, close the lid securely and simply press the brew button to begin making your delicious iced tea. Once your tea has finished brewing, you can customize it to your liking. For a stronger brew, use more tea bags initially. You can sweeten your iced tea with sugar, honey, or any other sweetener you prefer. Stir it in while the tea is still warm for best dissolution. Don't forget to add lemon slices or fresh mint for a refreshing touch. For the best flavor, always use filtered water when brewing your iced tea. This can make a significant difference in taste. Remember to store any leftover iced tea in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 3 days. Enjoy your perfectly brewed, refreshing drink. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.